Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
For those interested in learning more about Hakka culture, the Taoyuan Hakka Culture Center should be high on the list. It features a music hall, museum of literature, video archives, and more. You can also see the work of Hakka artists. The Culture Center is set in beautiful parklands, so it's a great place to get some R&R too.
Welcome back to another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Josephine. And now we're in summer. It's time to really go out and go visit different places, different counties, cities around Taiwan and learn more about the Hakka culture as well. 这个6月天了，对不对？天气比较好，其实我们多去别的地方去参观好了。
没有问题。
好，
那我今天带大家去桃园。桃园有一个叫做，
我知道桃园叫桃园烟。
是的，
那是桃园县嘛，对不对？I actually love saying the word 桃园 County because it actually sounds like I hate you, but it's not. It's actually 桃园县，桃园烟。OK， 来哪里？
好，就在桃园客家文化馆。
就是桃园的客家文化馆嘛，对不对？
是的。
Okay, so there's a Hakka Cultural Center that's located in Taoyuan, and I guess it's quite important to the Hakka cultures. 有什么样的特色呢？
其实它大概是在96年的时候成立的。
OK，
然后呢，它里面呢就成立了有10大客籍的文学家，还有10大客籍音乐家的作品都陈列在里面哦。
OK， 通常我们想到文化馆，可能有一些，比如说陶瓷艺品啦、画啦这种东西。可是它竟然有一个所谓的10大作家跟10大音乐家的一个介绍，就对了。
是。
What's very special and unique about this fairly new Hakka Cultural Center located in Taoyuan that was opened up about 5-6 years ago is that they have a section within the museum or cultural center that features the top 10 Hakka writers and the top 10 Hakka musicians.
而且他们的建筑啊还是绿建筑，所以旁边有很多的小公园啊，种很多花，还有生态池塘，所以蛮值得去那边玩的。
Okay, not only is the museum or cultural center very unique inside, but outside it's actually a green building. It's an environmentally friendly building, and they built a lot of parks and ponds so that people can actually stroll around and enjoy the nature as well. Very, very unique, very cool. It's called the Taoyuan Hakka Cultural Center, 就是桃园客家文化馆。
桃园客家文化馆。
桃园客家文化馆 and that's located in 桃园县。
桃园烟。
桃园烟 There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.